These futuristic superyachts will redefine what luxury means, and the details will leave you speechless. In 2050, the world's richest won't just own yachts. They'll own floating kingdoms worth over $1 billion. Stay till the end, because the final feature is something no billionaire has ever had before. This isn't just a yacht, it's the size of a floating city, over 500 feet long, multiple decks that rise like skyscrapers on the water, private underwater suites with 360 degrees ocean views. A yacht this size doesn't just sail, it rules the sea. Forget fuel. By 2050, these yachts will run on hydrogen energy, solar sails, and smart navigation. They'll travel across oceans for years without refueling. Even storms can't stop it. Smart tech predicts and avoids danger before it strikes. Inside, the luxury only gets wilder. Sky-high swimming pools with glass bottoms, a theater larger than most cinemas, personal hospitals with robotic doctors, and a chef that knows your favorite dish before you even order. It's not just cool without limits. These yachts are designed with landing pads for flying cars, submarines attached for deep-sea exploration, underwater clubs where guests dance with glowing sea life as their backdrop. Why settle for a view of the ocean when you can party inside it? Security won't just be guards. It could be drones and robotic patrols watching every corner. Privacy this strong means billionaires can truly escape the world. These yachts could double as research bases, scanning the ocean floor while their owners relax. For billionaires, luxury means exploring the last great mystery, the deep sea. By 2050, super yachts won't just be luxury toys. They'll be the ultimate status symbol, proof that their owners don't just live in the future, they own it. By 2050, super yachts won't just have helicopter pads. They could feature entire drone ports and flying car runways on deck. Guests won't need to wait at harbors. They'll literally fly in and out. Why step onto a dock when your car can land right on the yacht? Instead of small windows, yachts could have giant glass domes beneath the surface, turning the ocean into a private aquarium. Future yachts may carry shopping streets and private casinos on board. Guests will shop Cartier, Rolex, and Chanel without leaving the sea. Forget duty-free. The future billionaire shops duty anywhere. A massive pool stretching across the top deck with a transparent glass floor, so swimmers see straight down into the ocean. While you float in crystal water, the real ocean moves beneath your feet. Entire sections dedicated to saltwater therapy, heated mineral pools, cryotherapy, and anti-aging treatments. This isn't just relaxation, it's the science of staying young. A poolside entertainment zone where holograms project concerts, movies, or even interactive games above the water. Your pool isn't just for swimming, it's a stage for entertainment. So here's the question, is a billion-dollar yacht the peak of luxury or just the beginning? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this journey into the future surprised you, hit like, subscribe for more luxury content, and turn on the bell icon.